Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a spring themed set and I am going to attempt to do a marble effect. So I watched a few videos on YouTube around it and I'm going to be using the spoon method. I think I might start with doing the marble, so I'll do a marble on my middle finger glitter and then just the other three colors on my other nails. So wish me luck. I might start off with the base actually of white. This is Rossi Snow White. Ideally enough so that I can dip my finger in there. This is Rossi Amaze Gossip. If you haven't watched it yet, I swatched these in a previous video, so head over there to have a look at the swatches and confidence. And apparently you just make a few swirls. Wish me luck. It's looking like I'm actually quite pleased with that. Don't mind that at all. Could have done with a bit more of the peach, but I think I might leave it at that just because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, now I can do my other nails. So that was Paralites will go into my other accent finger. I'm just going to go through the normal process now for my other nails. That's what that's looking like. So I've already got 3 coats on this one, so I might just clear cap that one at the end, and the rest I'll do the TikTok method. Okay, so I'm going to clear cap all the nails. That's what it's looking like so far. Kind of matches my tabletop, I just realized. Yeah, we'll just wait for that to set for a bit and then we'll activate and buff. So have you guys tried doing the marbling method? I know I've seen another video of someone doing it, just putting diagonal brush strokes onto the nail on specific parts and dipping. So I might try that method next. I think it's a little less wasteful on powders, but I'm happy with how this one turned out. It's going to activate now. I have to say, Paris Lights didn't swatch really well. I'll show you the swatch in a bit. There's a swatch of Paris Lights compared to how it turned out on the finger. Well, I haven't buffed and put top coat on my finger yet, but you can tell the difference. So much different. And the swatch is done with 3 coats as well, so okay, I'm gonna wait for this to harden and I'll rough and shape off camera and I'll come back to the top coat. That's what it's looking like so far. Got rid of glitter on there. So let's start top coating. I'm back. So I've let the 2 coats of top coat dry and then put on some cuticle oil, and that's what it looks like. So I set out trying to experiment with doing the marbling effect, this one. So it was meant to be the highlight of this video, but I think Paris Lights has stolen the show. I'm in love with that color. Not to say that the marbling isn't good. I think I'm pretty happy with how it turned out as well, but I'm just in love with Paris Lights at the moment. It's so pretty. What do you guys think? Also, I know I asked this before, if you wanted to see me try that other marbling method, but also let me know if there's any other dip nail techniques that you want me to try. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.